Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So today in this video we will studying about the Heron's formula. Now, before coming on to that, let's come on the introductory part. Myself Prashant Singh. Today here I am with an educational video that will help you a lot. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment this video. Now let's begin without a further ado. Now basically we will be studying about the area of the triangle with respect to Heron's formula. That is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now you must be wondering what are S and A, B and C. S is the semi-perimeter, that is half of the perimeter, which is equals to the sum of all sides by 2. Now as we see from here, these are the sides A, B and C. So here we also conclude that A, B and C are the sides of a triangle. Now you know the area of the triangle with respect to Heron's formula and semi-perimeter. Now let's see some questions related to this. Here we are with a question. Find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm, 11 cm and the perimeter is 32 cm. Now let's see how we can solve this question. Coming on to the solution, we have to find the area of the triangle. Now you know I have told you the area of the triangle with respect to Heron's formula is S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. We are given two sides that are A equals to 8 cm, B equals to 11 cm. We are not given the third side. We are also not given the S, that is the semi-perimeter. Now we already know to find S is very easy. That is S equals to P by 2, which is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Now the third side is not given, so we will not use this. We can use this, the perimeter by divided by 2, because as the semi-perimeter is the half of the perimeter. We have given perimeter is 32 divided by 2 equals to 16 cm. Now we have to find the third side, that is C. Now perimeter of triangle, we know that perimeter of triangle equals to A plus B plus C, which is 32 equals to 8 plus 11 plus C. C equals to 32 minus 19. Now C equals to 13. 30 centimeter we found the third side. Now let's put this into the formula, that is area of triangle under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. From here we conclude that area of triangle equals to under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, which is equals to under root S is, let me see what is S. S is 16 centimeter, A is 8 centimeter, B is 11 centimeter and C is 13 centimeter. S is 16 centimeter. Now 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 13. Let's come on. Under root 16 minus 8 is 8, 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 13 is 3. From here we can say that. Now let's prime factorize this. 16 will be 2 into 2 into 2 and into 2. 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. With this we can form the pairs. These will be the formed pairs. Now let's bring them outside. 2 into 2 into 2. Under root there will be 2 into 5 times 3. Now here we can say that, now by multiplying these and multiplying these we get 8 under root 30. This is the answer we get. Now as this is the centimeter, the unit is centimeter, so after finding the area, the unit would be centimeter square. By this we conclude that the answer of this question, that was find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. We see that the S equals to 16 centimeter, A equals to 8 centimeter, B equals to 11 centimeter, C we found and S we found, so I'm gonna cross check it. C equals to 13 centimeter, and now the area of the triangle itself is, with the respect to Heron's formula, is 8 root 30 centimeter square. I hope you understood it. Let's come on to the next question. Now our next question given is the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Here also in this question we have to find the semi-perimeter, and we also have to find the sides. These are the sides in the ratios. This is the perimeter as given, and we have to find the area. Let's come on to the solution. First, to find the sides, A ratio B ratio C equals to 3:5:7. Let's take them in the x quantity. A equals to 3x, B equals to 5x, C equals to 7x. Let's come on to the finding these. First, we have to find the semi-perimeter. S equals to half of the perimeter, that is equals to 300 by 2, which is equals to 150 meters. Now we know that perimeter of triangle equals to sum of all sides, that is A plus B plus C. Now 300 meter equals to 3x plus 5x plus 7x. Now after summing all these, 300 meter equals to 15x. X equals to, let me erase this is a bit weird. Now x equals to 300 meter by 15. We can divide it, it will be 20 meter. 20 meter equals to x. Now we didn't find our sides, we have only found the quantity of x. Now with multiplying this by substituting the value of x, that is 20 equals to 60 meters. 5 times 20 equals to 100 meters. 7 times 20 equals to 140 meters. Now coming on to the solution, that is mainly the area of triangle. Area of triangle with respect to Heron's formula equals to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now area of triangle equals to this, so we can say that under root. Now we found the semi-perimeter, which is equals to 150 meter. Let's substitute this. 150 meters. 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100 and 150 minus 140. Now let's solve this question. Let's solve these values by subtracting and multiplying. 150, 90, 50, 10, which is equals to 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 5 times 2 times 5. Now let's form pairs so that we can take them out of the square root. Some values will be left, but let's see. This will be a pair, 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 and nothing else. Now 3 times 5 times 5 times 2. In under root there will be 3 times 5 times 2, which is 3. Now with multiplying these and these we get 150. In under root we get 30. So the answer here which we get is, oh, sorry for the mistake. Here I have deducted a 0, so let me put it here. Now here we formed which is 3 times 5, this would be 15, and then we have to form another pair that would be into 2 into 5, that would be 10. 10 into 150 is 10 into 150. 10 into 150 would be 150. Now let's again form the pairs. This would be a pair and this would be a pair. Now here we will get times 2 times 5, which would be 1500. Now according to the units we have gotten meter, so in area it would be meter square. Here is our answer.